Michael, please don't use the toilet paper 10 before make the house flooded. You're only supposed to use one toilet paper. Okay? Okay. It's 11:40 and I'm going back to sleep. Haha. I'm going to lay the kitchen for the house got flooded. I'm going to lay down the kitchen while to do this, and I'm going to flood the house. Hey, why is this house got flooded and why we are outside? Oh, I think Michael flooded the house. Michael, did you just flood the house? Tell us the truth right now, or else you will be grounded. Okay, yes. Oh, wow. Michael, how dare you just flooded the house and we almost died. And we can't buy anything to live and thanks to you. That's it. You are grounded for 12 weeks. It's time for spanking.